Welcome back today with a healthy drink. Anyway, today we're going to give you a nice lovely cauliflower drink. Cauliflower with water. It's going to be natural, no sugar, and also no honey, nothing. It's just natural drink. I want to simply say to you, we're going to use 1 handful of cauliflower straight inside of the smoothie blender. And also we're going to use 1 pear. The pear we're going to get the sweetness from. And 1/2 cups of water. Cover. And blend this to roughly 3 seconds. Nice and lovely. So I just finished blending it, and as you can see, this is the way it looks. Look at this, guys. Thick and nice. It's like soup, but I'm gonna taste it. It's really nice and sweet. The reason why it's really nice and sweet because of the pear, and also, you know, that cauliflower have a sweetness to it when it cook or when it's raw. It do have a sweetness to it. So it's really nice. And hopefully you guys will like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. So this recipe is just a basic recipe, cauliflower with pear drink. See you next time, and this is from The Cooking Show. Bye bye.